Hey y'all, it's Courtney with It's Jerky y'all, and today I'm gonna be making a pizza and calzone with It's Jerky y'all. Get excited. So we have all the ingredients laid out for you here today, including the black pepper jerky, but feel free to use whichever flavor you'd like. We're just gonna go with this one today. I also laid out some mushrooms. We are using some vegan mozzarella and vegan Parmesan, and today we decided to use Follow Your Heart, but feel free to use whichever brand you like. The next step to setting everything up, we're going to go ahead and flour our counter here, and then we're going to roll out our dough. All right. And we're going to roll this out from the center and out. Really trying to flatten it. And if it gets a little sticky, you can always add more flour to it or flip it at any time. And it doesn't have to be a perfect circle. Awesome. Now we're gonna put it on this pan and then add all of our ingredients. So now that you have your dough on your pan, make sure everything's rolled out and leave a little bit of a lip on the edges. So let's start here with our pizza sauce. Make sure, get it all out. Spread it around, create a nice foundation. Generously coat the pizza with as much cheese as you like. The more cheese, the better, right? All right, beautiful. Now we're going to add our veggies. Lay out the mushrooms ever so slightly. Or just dump them on there, whatever we do. Oh, wow. People who don't like mushrooms, get out of here. I'm just kidding. Use whatever you want. All right, now we're gonna do our red onions. And now we're gonna add the star of the show, the jerky, y'all. Now this you can generously sprinkle. I mean, come on. All right, now sprinkle the Parmesan on top. Beautiful. So now we're gonna pop this in the oven at 450 for 15 minutes. And now for the calzone. Pretty much the same setup, just a few tweaks. We're gonna be using some more vegan cheese, but this time we have provolone slices. We went with Violife brand, but again, choose whatever you'd like. We still have an amazing jerky medley here, but we decided to go with every flavor. Choose whatever you'd like, but we also cooked up some onions and mushrooms for a nice hearty filling. We still are going to be using some vegan Parmesan, again with Follow Your Heart, choose whatever brand, and then some pizza sauce as well. So create a nice foundation like before for your dough. Flour it up, roll out, calzone. Flip it over if you need to. Make sure it's all floured up. But this time we're not gonna make it as big as the pizza crust and not even as circular, since we are going to be folding it. A little bit different. So just as before with the pizza, make sure you get it on your pan just right with a little bit of a lip on the edge. But keep in mind, we're going to be folding this over. It doesn't require a ton of sauce on this since we are really focused on the filling, but go ahead and get your base of pizza sauce. All right, we're going to be setting out the cheese, so 2 slices on the bottom. We're going to do the filling and then the last slice. Right. Yum. Make sure the filling isn't spilling out on the sides before you fold it over. Let's keep it all in. All right, last cheese on top, and then a little sprinkle of the Parmesan. here, over here. Beautiful. And again, make sure it has a nice lip on the edge. So make sure you pinch the side so all the filling's all sealed in there. So really compress. So add 3 scores at the top. Right. Excellent. And now we're going to cook this at 450 for 15 minutes. And now that we have our 2 final products here, the full pizza and the full calzone, filled with all the jerky goodness, it's time to dig in, y'all. I'm gonna cut the calzone here. Ooh. Woohoo! Now that's a calzone. Bon appetit, y'all.